Alright. Like, subscribe, comment. I'm just kidding. Half kidding. Alright, so, yeah, share it too. Okay. Can you someone open the door, please? Diodone. Alright, so the Y-intercept goes on the y-axis. Now, I put C here to mark that this graph is C, but this line right here where the numbers are at, that's the y-axis. Please put a big Y. Here's the x-axis. Please put a big X right there. Alright, so here's what you're going to do. Here's graph C, and it needs, the banana goes on the y-axis. Draw this right here. Draw this, that's the y-intercept. It's on the y-axis. So what you're going to draw is a banana for the y-axis where it crosses. Now, I've asked you to do that already. Kim, where did you put the banana? What number? Perfect. It should be at 3. This is the y-axis. This is the graph. Where they cross is at 3. Now, I'm asking you to do D now. Please do D now on your own. Where does the graph D cross the y-axis? Please do that on your paper. I need to see both bananas in about 10 seconds that I come around. Okay? Where'd you put it, Diodone? Where's the banana at? Say again? For the banana? For D. No, right here. Look. Look here. Yeah, hold on, Ahad. Here's the y-axis. Yes? Here's D. Where do these cross? Is that what you're going to say, Ahad? Perfect. There should be your other banana. Now, your heart. Your heart. Please write this. The way I tell you to remember it is for your X-intercept. Think about this and please write this down. Please write this down. Please write this down. I'm looking at you, Linda, and I'm saying it over and over again until you write this down. That's your X. Your X-intercept is on your X-axis. Your X used to have your heart, so you put a heart on the X-axis. Okay? No, we don't have to do that today. All right, so, Miriam, where did you put the heart for C? For C? Yes, at 1, 0. 1, 0. Okay, I've got my heart. Please draw the other heart for D and be ready when I call on you. Here's D. Where does it cross the X? Where does D cross the X? Okay, Omar, what'd you get? Where does it cross? Perfect, draw the other heart. Now, let's do the slope. The slope is the one that I've seen a lot of people not get correct or not finish. Remember, you go along the graph and you just put big, obvious points when you see them. So right here, we already have a point there because there's a banana. Put a big, obvious point there. So then I follow the graph until I get to the next vertical line. Till I get to the next line. And I see, does it cross perfectly through the cross? Right here, I follow, follow, follow. Here's the line. Does it cross perfectly through there? Yes, there's my heart. Now, I follow, 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 till I get to the next line up and down. There's not a line. There's not a line yet. It's right here. Big, obvious point. Keep going. There's no line up and down. There's no vertical line. There's lines going this way, but we're looking for the line up and down. And here's one. Thank you. I love that animation. Okay, go ahead and draw your ladder. It doesn't matter if you draw the ladder how I did it, under the line, or if you did it above. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you count correctly. Because if you don't count correctly, then you're going to mess up. So here's what we do. I like to use colors because you know I'm a little bit color crazy. This is change of Y, the up and down part. Change of X is the horizontal part. Okay? So then I count. So it doesn't matter how you do it. What matters is you count. So I need you to do the same thing on your paper, please. I need you to do the same thing on your paper. It doesn't have to be with colors. It could be with pencil. How many is the change of Y? 1, 2, 3. Please mark it and please put a big number 3 there. Please put a big number 3. Now, is this I know it's 3 of them, but am I going from the banana to the next point? Am I going down or up? From the banana to the heart to the next point, I'm going down. So that's be -3. How many, exactly, how many am I going to the right? 1. And you need to check if all of them are same. 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. Because your stairs should be equal, the same as you move along the line. That's another way to check your work. So here's what we put at the very top. For C, Y-intercept, that's the banana. Okay, where's the banana at, Kim? So you put 3 right there. You do the same thing for D. Fill in this part for D. Where's the banana at for D? Linda, where's the banana at for D? For this graph, where do we put the banana? What number? So you put -4 right there. For D, that's where the bananas are at. Now, your slope for C, we counted 3 down over 1. So your slope is -3, change of Y, over change of X. Now, your X-intercepts are your hearts. Those are the hearts. Heart right here, heart right here. The heart for C, where do we put it at, Masterina? What number is that? No, it's not -1. -1's here. Should be at 1. Now, for D, David Lamb, where's the heart at for D? What number is that at? That's your X-intercept, 8. So as soon as you finish the graph, then fill this part in. What I'm going to ask you to do next is do the slope for D. Please do the slope for D. Do the same thing. You can start here, you can start here, and see, okay, well that one doesn't. This one does. Put a big obvious point there. Follow. Does this one hit perfectly through the cross? This one? So you put a big obvious point there. Then you follow. That one? Nope. That one? Yes, because your heart's right there. Follow. That does not go perfectly through the cross. Does this one, Ahad? Does this one, Sochin? This one? How can you go? Oh, orange is this part. That's the numerator. That's what goes on top. Denominator goes here. This is the Y. This is the X. Okay? So then you count 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That's your change of Y. Your change of X is, yep. Another way you may hear it is rise. We did a rise of 1. That means up and down. And then, how many are you going this way, to the right? 2. So your slope is 2. Now, is it positive or negative? Here's my banana. And if I go to the heart, I'm going up. Positive. Exactly. It's increasing, it's going up. And then that's how you do the graph. And right after you do the graph, you do the words, the explanation part.